Question number 141. Which of the following viral diseases are transmitted by mosquitoes? So two things have to be kept in mind. The diseases are viral and they are transmitted by mosquitoes. The very first option is elephantiasis and dengue. Now elephantiasis is an helminthic infection. It's an helminthic disease, although it is transmitted by mosquitoes, but it is not a viral disease. And dengue is a viral disease and it is also transmitted by Aedes mosquito. So this is correct, but elephantiasis is incorrect. So this is an incorrect option. The next option is malaria and yellow fever. Malaria is a protozoan disease. However, it is also transmitted by a mosquito, but it is a protozoan disease. Yellow fever is a viral disease and it is also transmitted by mosquitoes. So yellow fever is a viral disease transmitted by mosquitoes, but this option is incorrect because of malaria. The next option says malaria and dengue. This is incorrect because malaria is a protozoan disease transmitted by mosquito. Dengue is a viral disease transmitted by mosquito, but because of malaria, this is an incorrect option. The last option says chikungunya and dengue. And chikungunya is also a viral disease which is transmitted by mosquitoes. So as both the diseases are viral and transmitted by mosquitoes, this is a correct answer to our question. So the correct answer is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 142. Disease causing organisms are called, and the options are paratopes, pathogens, allergens, interferons. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, pathogens. Pathogens are disease causing organisms. This line is also given in your NCERT book. Let's discuss rest of the options. The first option is paratopes, and this is an incorrect option. Paratopes are associated with antibody structure. Option number 3, allergens are incorrect because allergy causing agents are termed as allergens. The last option is interferons, and this is an incorrect option because interferons are antiviral proteins which prevent multiplication of virus. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 143. Find the progressing disease where cholinergic neurons degenerate and affects memory, thinking, behavior of a person. And the options given are Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, Huntington chorea, myasthenia gravis. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Alzheimer's disease is a disease where cholinergic neurons degenerate and they affect memory, thinking, behavior of a person. Let's discuss rest of the options. The next option is Parkinson's disease, which is an incorrect option. Parkinson's disease is caused due to degeneration of dopaminergic neurons in basal ganglia and is characterized by muscular tremors. The next option is Huntington chorea, which is an incorrect option. Huntington chorea is due to degeneration of GABA secreting neurons in corpus striatum and cholinergic neurons of other parts. The last option is myasthenia gravis, which is an autoimmune disorder and it is caused due to damaging of acetylcholine receptors at neuromuscular junction. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 144. Vidal test is used to diagnose and the options are typhoid, malaria, diphtheria, dengue. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, typhoid. This is the test which is given in your NCERT book also. The next option is malaria. This is incorrect because blood smear test is used to diagnose malaria. Option number 3, diphtheria, is incorrect because Schick test is used to diagnose diphtheria. And the last option is dengue, and this is also incorrect. because tourniquet test is used to diagnose dengue. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1, typhoid. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 145. Which of the following are reasons for rheumatoid arthritis? Choose option containing all correct reasons. The very first option given is it is not an immune response against autoantigens, and this is incorrect because it is an immune response against autoantigens. The second statement says body attacks self cells is a correct statement. Third statement is lack of antibodies in the body due to suppression of B lymphocytes is incorrect because there is presence of antibodies in the body in autoimmune response. Because autoimmunity is an abnormal response in which immune system of the body starts rejecting its own body cells and molecules. Sometimes body lose its ability to differentiate between self and non-self cells and attack self cells. This results in damage to the body. Autoimmune response is against antigens, and antibodies are produced and interact with these autoantigens in the body in case of autoimmunity. So this statement is incorrect. The last statement says the ability to differentiate pathogens or foreign molecules from self cells is lost, and this is definitely a correct statement. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2, B and D are correct reasons for autoimmune disease, which is rheumatoid arthritis. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question.